Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Sonata key fob battery. It's a simple process you can do yourself in just a few minutes. You'll need two main items, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. This is a common 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, widely available at most stores. Having these ready will make the process smooth and quick. First, let's open your key fob. Begin by locating the small release button on the side of the fob. Press this button and slide out the emergency metal key. Set this key aside for a moment. Next, look into the slot where the emergency key was removed. You'll find a small notch or slot. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this opening and gently twist it. This action will cause the two halves of the key fob to separate. Now it's time to replace the battery. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old, circular CR2032 battery. Gently pry it out of its holder using your screwdriver. Pay attention to how the old battery was oriented. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces down. Press it firmly until it clicks securely into place. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear them snap shut, ensuring a secure closure. Once the fob is reassembled, slide the emergency metal key back into its designated slot. Now, take a moment to test your key fob to confirm that all functions, like locking and unlocking, are working perfectly. You've successfully changed your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.